Oh my, oh my, oh my. 2020 Forest River by Palomino Puma. This is a 32 RBFQ. 3 slides. Awesome master bedroom. Bunk room for the kids. Check out this outside kitchen. Yep, that's a microwave. Sink. Wow, love that. We are prepped for a backup camera. There's the slide for the kids, the bunk room, your U-shaped dinette, and the sofa. Storage underneath the U-shaped dinette. Yes, that's a big slide there for the master bedroom. Storage underneath the bed. We got a powered tongue jack, 2 30-pound propane tanks that will be filled. This is a certified pre-owned 2020. Super excited. The outside looks great, but let's go take a look on the inside. TV, cable connections, outside shower. Love it! I forget to mention power stabilizer jacks, front and rear. Extended season package. Walking into the 2020 Palomino Puma. Let me shut this door. I can reach it. There we go. Okay, fresh arrival. We have not had a chance to clean this yet. The outside's a little dirty, but wow. The inside, very, very well taken care of. It doesn't look like it's been used much. Of course, that turns into a bed. That turns into a bed. Storage over here. Yep. Bunk room, washroom. Coming up next. There's the kitchen. Nice LED light here on the bottom. A huge stainless steel sink. You get the oven, 3-burner stove. Oh, look at that. Yep, like most of them. Looks like it's never been used. There's a Greystone microwave. Love that. Stereo, TV. So this is a 12-volt fridge. Again, we have not cleaned this. Take a look how clean this is. Awesome. All right, let's go take a look at the bathroom. Voila, stand-up shower with a skylight. We got a fan exactly where it's supposed to be. Medicine cabinet. Look how clean this is. Amazing. Bunk room up next. For those spoiled kids of yours. That's all right, I got some too. All right, so that sofa does turn into a bed. Another bunk. Another bunk here. Great spot for your Xbox. Not that you should be doing that while camping. It's all about family. That goes up for more headroom. Again, super, super clean. All right, so you think the kids will be spoiled? Oh my goodness. Mom and Dad are gonna love this. Woo! Another slide. Look at the dance floor here in the middle. We got another TV. Let's open this up. Storage goes all the way to the front cap. Look at that. Here's a closet. Here's your door for the outside access. You could put like a laundry chute there and just open that up, bring your laundry out. Or you could put a washer and dryer in this and live in it. Why'd they leave the vase there? Oh well. Okay. 2020 Palomino Puma. Very impressed with the condition. I can't get over it. I know we got fussy customers, but more important than that, we got fussy buyers. We went out and bought this, drove it all the way in just now. 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick, in Canada. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751 Or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.